Look at this, so. And I've been suffering all this time.
You have to pay me.
Oh, I was saying we're doing this video to save me money. He still has to pay. Because I'm supposed to go to the hairdresser to do it.
Thank God it's now.
Oh, no.
The cost.
We are saving me money. I need the money for something else. What do you think? Only 4 packs and 5 hours later. Click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Last one. So there we go. And then we'll go ahead and braid from here. I've been practicing how to braid because I planned and I prayed for a baby girl one day. I prayed for a baby girl one day, and guess what? God answered. I recommend you don't have artificial nails or any ring. That way it's easier when you're braiding. Look at shrinkage, 3 years old hair, almost shoulder length. 3 years old. Now this is what this looks like. You know me, I like curly hair. 22 inches, right? 20 inches. With the orange stripe. The orange. And this one is not pre-looped. I wish it was. So, Ava, Mama is ready to get your hair done. Anytime, any day. Let's go ahead and put this in. Hi. You have to come all the way here to pee. Seriously. You guys, I can't run away. I can't run away sometimes. And that's how we hide that one. Hashtag natural. Natural. I'm breaking out. That time. It is that time. Melvin, look, we're wearing yellow. Come say hi. We're wearing the same color.
Hi.
We're wearing the same color. Say hi.
Bye.
Alright, bye-bye. Close the door before JJ finds me here. He will never leave. Okay. And then I double loop. I double tie it. Just in case. There we go. Ooh, I don't want it this long. If I will pull it. Pull on it.
Yes.
Alright, come. This hair is messing up with me. Alright. You can bring it out under. Bring this one out. And I'll pull it down. Thank you, Melvin. Melvin did mommy's hair. Melvin likes to be so helpful. Thank you, boo. I'm already not feeling this hair. I'm not feeling it. I don't want it too long. Because of work. And because of when I want to shower. one pack. See how small this pack looks? But in real life, this is just one pack. One. It looks plenty, but it looks so small on the back. Stay tuned. Almost on the last part, guys. So it's like I said, it was 5 packs. I have 1 more left, and I had just opened this one. Before you wait, look. Oh, you're actually getting it. Wait, before you close it. So we're almost done, guys. I've used 4 packs, remaining 1 pack, actually 4.5 pack. So when you put it, you now close it under. Are you sure you have not done this in your past life? So you will not remove the whole thing? You will remove the whole thing. Where is the bottom? No, you put it, you run it through like a rope. You tie it. You run it through that. Where is it?
I've taken the book out.
No, okay. This is it, right? So you put it inside. Your doggo himself. Our daddy. Yes. It's just exhausting. Oh, wait. So you have to close the loop before you bring it out. Okay, we're getting ready to teach you. That's how Melvin came. I want to help you, mommy. I said, okay. At number 10, the previous video. 10 minutes. I said, okay. And then it's midnight, guys. This is 2 hours later. So I think this is the fastest I've ever been. It's 2 hours. It's normally 3 hours. 2 hours and counting. So as soon as you put it, you close the mouth.
Yeah, it looks easier with those.
Carry those 2. So the front side, we're not double tying it, just one time. Look at this. And I've been suffering all this time.
You have to pay me.
Oh, I was saying we're doing this video to save me money. He still has to pay. Because I'm supposed to go to the hairdresser to do it.
Thank God it's now.
Oh, no.
The cost.
We're saving me money. I need the money for something else. I need to buy fish. Fish. Did you tie that one? Okay.
So.
So you put it like that. Wait, let me hold on now. So you put it like that. You can use a finger to make sure it's open first. You know I use attachments. So when you put it, you use the other finger to close the mouth so that way it slips out easily. Let me hear I'm suffering next time. All this time, spend 2 hours. I would have just called you. So the front part.
I'm pretty fast, so.
Thanks for coming to help me. Melvin is setting good examples in our house. Melvin is correcting everybody. Melvin gives all the compliments. If Melvin was awake, this is almost 12:30 midnight. Melvin will say, I like your hair, mommy. Every day I get compliments. And that's why I'm looking younger.
So,
okay.
The last one.
Oh, Dogu. Oh, boy, ha, Mangala, right? Mangala, they make hair. You know how sexy you look making it. And we're done. Thank you so much.
I can make other ladies' hair now. I'll make one.
I will bring them, please.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Thank you. So let me just go ahead and.
I'll see you. Okay, I forgot something.
Good night. Thank you for coming to help me. Now the night witch of the house, everybody's sleeping. So let's put some news. News it up first. So I don't want to mess with my edges because I only plan to carry this for like 2 months. 1 month. So I don't like the gap in between, but I'm going to fix it. I'm going to fix the gap in between. Because I still have a few left, I'm gonna go and fill it up. I was double tying this one, I didn't want to. Let's go in and fill it up. Do some edge control. When I was still pregnant with Amy, I had all my edges, but now it's gone. So I don't want to stress my hair anymore. When I go to work, I can put on the cap on my hat, on my work hat. When I'm at home, I can let my hair down without pulling off any wig and looking like a nanny, because that's all I am. I'm the nanny. We are the chef. Anywho, you get the idea. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna stand up and turn. Look, I'll cut this probably after a week or two. I'll cut it. I don't like it that long. I'll cut it. So it took me 2 hours, like I said earlier, 2 hours to put in the crochet, and then Casey came to try to help me at the final part. Now I won't tamper with my edges. I'll leave it that way since I'm mostly at home, and then I'll go ahead and fix my eyelashes. I had a video of where I was making my individual eyelashes, so you guys go see how I do that. It's almost probably 12:30 a.m. almost 1 a.m. but click the like and subscribe button if you like this hair. I don't see it lasting long, but you know, it was cheap and I only used 4 parts. So all in total of 5 hours I got the hair done. Oh, let me stand up so you see how it is. So that is what it looks like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.